Hello and what's up YouTube? I am coming at you today with something completely different from my channel. This is kind of a tech unboxing review, and it's what's inside this bag that's important. That's right. I have purchased a 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro. This will be replacing my trusty 2011 MacBook Pro. That's going on 9 years old now. It served me well, but this model had the right features and upgrades that made it worth dropping a boatload of cash to upgrade finally. I had the mid-range off-the-shelf model, and for $2,799, that's a lot of money. It includes an i9 2.3 gig 8-core processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and a Radeon 5500M video card with 4 gig of memory. That's dedicated memory. Pretty good specs if you ask me, but not cheap. Let's go ahead and unbox. So Apple has kind of engineered a nice little pull tab here. Leave it to Apple to even leave the unwrapping, or to make the unwrapping an experience. So really cool graphic on the box, nice and colorful, a bit different than what Apple's boxes are normally like, usually pretty simple. So here we go. There it is, the new toy. I got the space gray color, which I think is probably the most popular these days. So what's included in the box here? I got, I'm not sure, a 5 or 6 foot USB-C cable. I have a pouch with some documentation. Comes with a power brick. This is a 96 watt power brick, which is needed to adequately charge the new 100 watt hour battery on this machine, which is the largest that you can legally carry on an airplane. And for those who care, it looks like this year Apple color matches the Apple stickers to the system. You can see they're space gray apples to go along with the space gray computer. So let's go ahead and unwrap this puppy and see what she's got. So just from my initial few seconds with it here, you can really feel the solidness of the construction, the quality of the finish. Really, I mean, no one does better than Apple, and of course no one charges more than Apple, so it kind of goes hand in hand. So you can see once we open it up, it powers up on its own, and it's ready to get going. Some of the new features that really kind of sold me were the slightly larger 16-inch screen, the much improved keyboard. If you go to an Apple store and type on one of these and then type on a 13-inch MacBook Pro, which still has the butterfly, it is a night and day difference. This feels as good, if not better, than my 2011, although it's a much shorter keystroke, but it feels really good. These models do still have the touch bar, which some people like, some people hate, but they did change to a physical escape key and a matte finished fingerprint reader, which is also the power button now, which are kind of nice. There's an upgraded 3 microphone setup, which Apple says is a studio quality. Actually, I'm recording this audio on it because for some reason my USB microphone didn't record when I did the actual unboxing, so I had no audio. The speakers on here are better than any laptop this size have a right to be. I don't know how they do it. Overall, I mean, this is an amazing machine. The build quality is impeccable. The fit, the finish, the look, everything is premium, everything is high-end. The specs now are high-end. I mean, you can spec this up to a 2.48 core, 64 gig of RAM, I believe 8 terabyte SSD, 8 gig Radeon 5500M video. If you want to spend $6,000, you can do that. Little rich for my blood though. So Apple product, they do have a premium price, but I believe you get a premium product. If this lasts as long as my 2011 has, it's a worthwhile investment. So thank you for watching. I will be following up with a review and a comparison to the 2011. And remember, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next ride.